Hello guys, Edwin here. So today I'm going to be talking about GamerBoom. Okay, so how much have they raised so far? Let's go and check. Okay, so GamerBoom has raised $11 million. Okay, and what is GamerBoom? GamerBoom is an incentive layer and data mining protocol powered by an AI-driven data labeling system built on mainstream Web2 games. It aims to revolutionize gaming culture and economy by empowering players to control their digital lives. Okay, so they have an NFT which will be going live for minting tomorrow. Okay, so you can mint this NFT if you have the funds. Okay, so there'll be I think 20,000 spots for this NFT minting. Okay, so the first round will be one Solana. Okay, and one Solana is around $160. Okay, I am not going to be minting this. I'm just going to be doing their free quest for now, since that one is also incentivized. Okay, so when you come here, just make sure you connect your Solana wallet. Okay. After connecting your Solana wallet, click on Quest. Okay. When you click on Quest, you'll be taken to this page and you can do your daily checking. With a daily checking, you need to hold some amount of Solana in your wallet. Okay. So just hold about 50 cents is okay, because checking costs just 0.01 cents. Okay. So if you check in every day, you are going to be getting 2,000 GPT points. Okay, so you see, I checked in today and I got 2,000 points. Okay, if you join with a referral code, also you get 400 points. Okay, I joined with a friend's referral and I just got 400 points, so making it 2,400. So when you come here, just click on this. Let me show you. Okay, so after clicking on the daily check-in, you'll be asked to confirm this transaction. Okay, you can see the fee here, 0.00008 Solana, which is 0.01 dollars. Okay, 0.01 cents in dollars. Okay, so just come here if you have it, but you can skip it if you don't have that amount in your wallet yet. Okay, you can skip it. Okay, so after doing that, make sure you follow GamerBoom on Twitter. Just click on this. Okay, let's go ahead and complete the social quest. So after completing the social tasks, which are very easy, okay, just follow GamerBoom on Twitter, follow Ghost AI Agent on X. Okay, subscribe to their Telegram channel, join GamerBoom's community, join the GamerBoom Discord, retweet this post. You retweet and you like this post also. You do the same for this, okay, which is very easy. The daily check-in isn't compulsory. Okay, you can skip it. Okay, just if you want to do it, just hold about $1. Okay, you can do more than 50 check-ins with just $1. Okay, so now let's go to mining. After completing the social quest, you can click on mining. Okay, and with the mining, you have to play the GamerBoom on your device. Okay, you can download the game. It's, I think, what's the size? I think the size is about less than 5 megabytes. Okay, so yes, this is the size of the game. Okay, so you download the installer, you open it and you run it. So playing the game will give you mining rewards. Okay, so you just come here, you download the game right here. If you can't see it on your screen, make sure you reduce your zoom. Okay, you can reduce your zoom. Okay, I had to reduce my zoom before I could see the download button. Okay, so playing the game will give you more rewards. Okay, so make sure you check the game out. It's very easy. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have the funds to grab the NFT, you can go ahead and grab it. Okay, the whitelist means to go live tomorrow at 12 p.m. UTC. Okay, which you get a discount and you pay 0.9 Solana for the NFT, which is at 12 p.m. And the public minting will go live tomorrow at 2 p.m. Okay, if you have the funds, you can go ahead and grab it. Also, make sure you play the game. Okay, for more mining rewards, complete the quest and do your daily check-ins. That's all for now. Make sure you join our Telegram for more updates. Peace.